In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import leads from a CSV file into Lemlist step by step. First, log into your Lemlist account by visiting Lemlist. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Campaigns section and open the campaign where you want to add your leads. Next, click on the Lead List tab at the top of the page. If your campaign is empty, click Import New Leads. If you already have leads inside the campaign, click the Actions drop-down and then select Import New Leads. Now choose the CSV Import option. Select the CSV file from your computer. Make sure your spreadsheet includes important lead details like email address, first name, last name, company name, or LinkedIn profile. After uploading the file, Lemlist will ask you to match your CSV columns with the correct fields inside the platform. Carefully review the mapping settings to make sure all your data is assigned properly. You can also create custom variables for additional information like job title, website, or phone number. Next, choose your import settings. You can enable options like email verification, LinkedIn enrichment, or duplicate detection before continuing. Once everything looks good, click Import Leads. Lemlist will process the file and automatically add your leads to the campaign. After the import is complete, review your lead list and edit any missing information if needed before launching your campaign. And that's it. You've successfully imported leads from a CSV file into Lemlist. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.